Download JDK from the official website Oracle. You can download any of these JDK versions. For the MacBook, we have to install ARM64 DMG installer. For the Mac chipset M1 M2, like for the Windows, we have to install x64 installer. Download, then later you install that. I already have my JDK version, so now we have to install IntelliJ IDEA from the JetBrains, the leading IDE for professional development in Kotlin API. Why IntelliJ IDEA? I prefer IntelliJ IDEA for the beginners. It is user friendly and good UI. So for it is for Windows. You can change here for Mac. Yeah, let me download. It is downloading. After downloading, open it. Next, click on next. Here select IntelliJ IDEA.java.pom, add bin folder to the path. Next, click on next. Install. After install, you have to open application. Then in this main method, I already have a small program. Just run it whether it is working or not. Yeah, we got the output. Hello and welcome. Y equals 1, I 2, 3, 4.